Hello students, I welcome you to Delhi Public School Budgam. Dear students, in this video we'll learn about the water cycle in detail. It seems to us that we constantly lose water because it gets evaporated into the atmosphere day and night. But let me tell you, water never leaves the earth. Instead, it is being constantly cycled through the atmosphere, oceans and land. This circulation of water from the land to the atmosphere and back to the land is known as water cycle. For water cycle to happen, we need energy from the sun. And that energy is the heat energy or simply heat of the sun. Water cycle is very important for the existence of life on earth. Water cycle is also known as the hydrological cycle. Let's understand in detail the process behind the water cycle. The water cycle happens in 4 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. During evaporation, water evaporates from different water bodies like rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds by taking heat from the sun, and during evaporation this water from different water bodies gets converted into water vapor and reaches the atmosphere. Plants also contribute to the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere by a process called as transpiration. We know during transpiration plants give away water or they lose water to the atmosphere through their leaves. So both evaporation and transpiration contribute to the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Second step is condensation. When water vapors during evaporation reach the upper atmosphere, they get cooled down and form droplets of water. This is known as condensation. Next step during water cycle is precipitation. When tiny droplets of water after condensation join together, they form big droplets of water, and these big droplets of water when joined together form clouds. These clouds become big and heavy and eventually fall down on earth in the form of rain. In very cold regions or in very low temperatures, these raindrops freeze in the atmosphere and falls down to earth in the frozen state called as snow. This falling down of rain or snow or hail on the earth is called as precipitation. Now collection. Rainwater gets collected in all the water bodies directly. Snow gets collected in the water bodies after melting down from mountains or land, etc. The precipitation again fills the water in the water bodies, maintaining the amount of water on the earth. Some of the rainwater seeps through the soil and goes underground, called as groundwater. The portion of precipitation that makes its way towards rivers or oceans, etc., is termed as surface water or runoff. My dear students, the process of water cycle, this happens again and again. That is, the water gets evaporated into the atmosphere, condenses and falls back to the ground as precipitate. This cycle keeps on going throughout, and this is termed as water cycle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.